Look at you learning to push up on your arms. Good job, Sharday. Yeah, look at you. You swimming on the blanket. Boy, you almost blend into that blanket. You want that one. You want that rattle, don't you? You can get it. You can do it. Ambition. Ambition. Boy, you're going to be crawling soon. Look at you. There you go. There's a trick. It'll do it. That'll do it. That'll get you where you want to go. Uh-huh. Oh, satisfaction. Wow. You can really get where you want to go now, huh? Huh, you can really get where you want to go. Tell me, what else do you think about it? Yum, let's eat it.